Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with another plan with me. We're in my mini happy planner. I'm going to be using a kit that you've seen me use before. I used this mini happy planner kit in my Recollection zipper planner last year, but it was like December. So I wanted to use it in the actual mini happy planner and show you how it looks. Just these 2 pages from Cupcakes and Stickies is only $3.50, plus you can use my coupon code Leslie15 for another 15% off. So that makes it for a pretty inexpensive weekly spread. And then the washi that I chose, this one was from a Michael's set. I don't know what you want to call it. It was called Noel. And then this was from another tube. I'm not sure which one. I think it had unicorns on it. And then this one is simply gilded. So I have like the navy blue with rose gold, then I have the pink with rose gold, and then I have the silver because there's that silver glitter. So we'll see how I end up using these, but I like to use skinny washies. In my personal planner, it leaves me more space. So that's why I like using it. And let's get started. So this clip is from the Planner Society box or Planner Society kit, whatever. This one was super cute. She actually gave us 2 of these. So I actually gifted mine to a friend, and then that's what the backs look like. And then this one is from my shop. It's a rose gold rose, and it's got white matte paper behind it, and then it's white on back. So super cute. Those are in the shop. And guess what? I have a snow day. You guys are watching this on Wednesday. I have a snow day Wednesday. So my new releases will be up like ASAP because I will be home. I know. I'm so excited. I hardly ever get like 2 snow days, and for them to fall when we already had Monday off, wow, like just wow. I can't believe it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these all the way up on the black. Oop, but crooked a bit. There. That's better. Okay, and then I do have little date circles left over from a Sticker Monster Co kit that I thought I would use to put my dates in on this side of it. She leaves a little bit of a space for you to put that in. So I thought I would do that. So I'll add that in after I throw these down, and then I'll put the washi tape down. So I want to do this one first because I want to cover up the black line that's in between each box. So my son is still like sniffling. He's what I call productive coughing, and then like spitting out whatever it is. So I hope that we are almost done with this. His last day of antibiotics is tomorrow, or the day you guys are watching this, I mean, because I film it on Tuesday nights and then I upload it for Thursday. I pre-upload my videos, so they always come out around the same time, except for on the weekends. I think Saturdays I have those go up at noon, and on Sunday they go up at noon, but then during the week they go up at 4, just because I think then I'll be home, so if there's anything wrong with the video, I can quickly fix it. But yeah, so that's why I do it that way. Anyhow, so I think that he's getting better, but I thought it would be a lot faster. I just felt like the antibiotics were not as, I don't know, productive or fast acting as they have been in the past. But like I said, he hasn't had an ear infection. My son had a double ear infection, if you're new to my channel. I'm a mom, so there you go. I'm also a teacher, hence why snow days are important to me. Because my son is only 4. He doesn't go to school yet. So as far as that goes, he will start. I know I already have to start looking at schools, and he has to do like the testing or whatever, and we won't worry about his shots until his checkup in June, I think. Okay, then there's these cute little arrows, so I'll probably add those in later. And then she has this full box down here, and that'll cover up all of this. And if you like the quote, you can cut this off, or you can cut this off and have that there. It's like completely up to you. But I want the box more than the quote. The quote says, "A year from now, you'll wish you had started today," which I was like, that doesn't really have anything to do with memory planning. So I'm over that quote. If that makes any sense. Like, nope, not for what I'm using it for. Okay, and then there's a couple of these like kind of quarter boxy things, and then there's 2 washi strips, which I wasn't sure how I was going to incorporate those. I believe they're the same width as this, so I think I could actually do 1 row of this, which I thought about doing at the top, but clearly I didn't think ahead, or also because they're too wide to fit up there. So I'm thinking I'll just use them here in the middle. Or should I use them at the top? I just felt like I should use it here because the lines. I don't know. Yeah, because it's covering up so much lines. I'll just do this way. There you go. So I'm just lining it up. There. So you get 2 washi strips, which you can put anywhere you want or turn into little flags or whatever. But I was trying to figure out where I was going to use these and I forgot to like finish my thought before I put these down, because I would have put it up there. I think that would look better. Okay, then I have some little flags, but first we'll put down my washi tape and see how that looks. So I'm thinking this is too wide for up here. I'm thinking the pink dot for up top and on the bottom. That's kind of how I've been doing it. Is I put a little washi up here and a little washi at the bottom. I'll probably make those match so then they kind of coordinate well. Oh, I found my washi cutter. See this? I'm not using the ugly green one anymore. Mine's ugly because it's old. I'm not saying it's ugly because it's green, or yours is not cute if you have that one. That's not all what I'm saying. Mine is gross. I've used it forever. I'm sure it was a brighter green at one point. Okay. But this was actually like a Christmas, it was called Noel, but there wasn't really a lot of Christmas on it. It had a Christmas quote in the roll, and then it had like winter trees. But it also had like a blue, a blue one that had like snowflakes on it, and then like this one, and I think a white one with snowflakes on it. So I thought it worked out okay. Okay, so this is going to go on the bottom. So I did see that the TNs that the Planner Society came out with that you could like add to your box. We got the email today and I looked at it, but I was like, it's pretty much exactly like the one that we got, just different print, right? So I feel like, yeah, if you didn't get the one in December and you want one of hers, then it's totally worth it. But for me, I'm not even using it as a TN, I'm using it to hold the mini happy planner. So I don't really need another one, and plus it was like $24, it was still $24.95 to add it to your box. And I'm like, the box is already like 30 bucks, which I'm super excited about getting mine because I know exactly what I'm gonna make, and it has to do with a clip holder. That's what we're making. I'll just tell you what we're making. I've already decided, and I've already ran a trial run, and I think it looks awesome, and I can't wait to show you guys. All right, finishing washi because I keep talking and then I get distracted. So I don't want to put the navy blue one in the navy blue box. So I'm going to put the silver one in there. I know this one is not the one from AliExpress because it's wider and has like a weird edge on it. I'm not sure what that is. See how it cuts. I don't know what it's doing. It's like frayed on the edge. I don't even know. Like on the side, not the edge, I guess. Oh, what is that? I don't even know what just happened. Okay. That's interesting. It like didn't tear on the cutter. It tore like somewhere else. But I'm not going to waste this strip because it's the length that I think I can use over here. Just have to tear some more off. Yeah, I can use it. All right, that was weird. I was like, not at all what I was going for, but all right. Okay. Let's see. Then I want to use this one. I said I would use the navy one. I'm not sure what these ones are called. I mean, I love Simply Gilded washi. It's so smooth, but I have not been like one of those where I'm like sitting and waiting until she like does new releases when they sell out in like 3 seconds. I haven't done that yet. But if you have, more power to you, because I don't have the patience. Plus, I'm also a very, what do you call it? Doubtful shopper. That's what we'll call myself. So like I'll talk myself out of buying stuff. Are you like that? Or are you just like, I'm gonna buy this? I'm not like that. I'm usually, okay, that's hanging over a little bit. I need to cut it off because it's gonna bother me. Just by a smidge. Look at these tiny scissors that Mary got me. Thanks, Mary. There. Perfection for tiny things like that. Yes. Okay, like I said, I have all sorts of scissors. Alright, so then I didn't put washi down here, so I need to do that, but it can't be this one because I put that there. And I don't really want it to be silver because silver's there. But I'm out of choices. Yes, I'm out of choices. So I guess we're doing silver. That was not my plan. I should have done silver, blue. No, because then silver would have been next to it. Whatever. Guess that's what we have. Okay, where is this beginning and end? There it is. I was like, where is this? Okay, and then it's slightly crooked from how it tore off last time. I'm not sure how I feel about silver next to rose gold. But it is what it is. It's a memory planner. And plus I'm not using it on this side. It's only on this side, so it doesn't really matter. I thought about using the Simply Gilded again, but I was like, no, it's right there. Plus it's like I want to conserve it because those are pricey. Okay, so washi is done. Now I can fill in little flags and quarter boxes, which someone had an idea for the weekend banner to go vertically, and I was like, yeah, I should have done that. Oh, I forgot to put the dates down. That would be good. Let's do that. Where's my tweezers? There. Okay, I think we're starting off on the 22nd. Is that right? Yeah, 22nd. I know we were starting off on the 22nd because I wanted to make sure I had the right dots left. So that's one of the reasons I saved this sheet. I actually had someone ask me if they could have the water trackers, and I think she planned on making a future order. I was like, yeah, just remind me in the note to seller that you want it. So then I can give it to you, because I obviously don't use them. Like, they sit on this the sheets. I have more than this kit of water trackers, actually, because I don't do that. I don't have time. I also don't think I drink that much water ever. And even if I tried, I feel like I have tried, actually, when I was pregnant 5 years ago. I definitely drink a lot more water when I was pregnant. And I only allowed myself 1 soda a day, and not even every day, because I didn't want my kid coming out hyper, I guess. I don't know. The things you think of when you're a pregnant mom. And then there's times where you're just like, whatever. And like, mostly the only food I could keep down is french fries and ice cream. So, okay, so dates are done. Wow, memory lane apparently is what we're doing tonight. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one here. And then put this blue one over here. And then we'll put the orange one down here. And then we'll put the pink one up here, I think. Yeah, I was trying to mix match it, so it all like coordinate together, kind of. I like it. Okay, then I have these little quarter boxes, which I feel like are mostly deco. I'm not really sure. Okay, so we're gonna put it right here. And up here, just to kind of spread it out. I like the pattern, so I was going to use them anyway. Alright, so that sheet's used up. And then here is the arrows. Now these ones, I believe we can coordinate. Except for there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6, so there's not enough for every box. So I'm just going to put the little arrow on the edge. There. I think that's cute. I like it. It's like, this is important. I don't know. Okay, that's there, so I'm going to skip that one. And that's there, so I'm going to skip that one. I'm going to go with silver on that one. Which I feel like blends in with the dots, but oh well. And then we'll go with blue on this one. And then we'll go with orange on this one. I don't know, I just thought it'd be fun to put that there. Okay, and then we'll do pink. So I used up all of that. So I used up both sheets, which I feel like is very productive for me, because I feel like I never use all of everything. And I'm still in a white space planner, for the most part, except for this planner. Okay, so we have our Hump Day stickers from Pretty Alice. Thank you. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna put it right there. Be different. Okay, and then we have Friday stickers on the same sheet. And Friday right there. And then we have my character sticker in this planner is the kitty from Pretty Alice. And she's not an Etsy shop. She's just a nice person. So don't try to search on Etsy for Pretty Alice. I'm pretty sure she's not there. But I hope she will be someday. Okay, I think I'm gonna put it down here in a little ball of yarn. So cute. Love the kitties. I actually saw a kit. Someone advertised a kit. I don't remember who. I was flipping through Instagram, just scrolling away, and I recognized these kitties, and they had put them in like half boxes and full boxes and stuff, and I just thought that was so cute. Anyway, so there are people out there that have that. Okay, now we have our Silly Holidays from Cupcakes and Stickies, and February is already out, so you can check that out too when you go pick up your mini kits, because she has a bunch of them. Okay, so we're on the 22nd. What does that say? Answer your cats. I always answer my cat. She's annoying. She won't stop. Okay, we're gonna do this right here. And then answer your cats. Questions day. I'm sorry. Just 1 second. Take a drink. Hot cocoa. Okay, 23. Hand lettering day, which I'm not good at doing. It says hand lettering day, and she did it in different letters, so it's cute. And then the 24th is peanut butter day, so watch out if you're allergic, I guess. And then 25 is opposite day. I'm not sure. 25 is opposite day. It should be this Loretta. Oh, her swirl and bow are switched. I'm sure that's what it is. I bet that's what it is. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so opposite day. And then the 26th is spouse's day, so she has rings. That's cute. I guess we'll put it on this side. I was trying to figure out which side I was going to put it on. And then chocolate cake day, so she has a little chocolate cupcake. And then rubber ducky day is the 28th, which actually on our groom's cake we had a bride and groom rubber duckies cake, and the whole thing was like decorated like a pond. Yeah, there's still a couple more. The whole thing was decorated like a pond, and it was super funny. And it was funny because it was actually supposed to be our rehearsal dinner cake, but my mom was, you know, overwhelmed with everything and forgot to pick it up. And I was like, Mom, it's okay, we'll just have a groom's cake, because it was a chocolate cake and our wedding cake was a white cake with strawberry filling, and this one was a chocolate cake, I think, with strawberry filling. But either way, it was different. So, and when I wanted it chocolate, because then when you cut into it, it looks like there's mud. So anyway, I'm weird. Okay, so there you go. There's my rubber ducky story. And that's it. Alright, so look at that spread. Isn't it cute? It's so easy and simple and spacious, and I can put all my little functional stickers in there, and I have room to use the lines. So I'm super excited to use this spread. Alright, thanks for watching. Give it a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Yes, I waved. I always do. At least Stevie and like Kristen and I think Colleen, they all wave at me. So it's okay.